Bureaucracy, democracy, and hypocrisy. They call all of them policy. Bureaucracy, democracy, and hypocrisy. They call all of them policy. Bureaucracy, democracy, and hypocrisy. They call all of them policy. Bureaucracy, democracy, and hypocrisy. They call all of them policy. They push the pen, it's bureaucracy. When they want to fool you, it's democracy. Bureaucracy is all hypocrisy, and they tell you it's policy. When they do it alone, it's bureaucracy, and they tell you it's democracy. They will never let you know it's hypocrisy, and they tell you it's policy. Politics is the name of the game. It's a grimy game. It's dirty. It's smarty. Stand up. Let's fight the power. Because we have the power. Let's stand up and fight. I said let's fight. Autocracy, bribery, bureaucracy, concealment, conspiracy, corruption, deception, embezzlement, extortion, forgery, hoarding, hypocrisy, injustice, killing, nepotism, oppression, persecution, stealing, tribalism. Let's be patriotic. Yes, we can.